Hey everyone, how's it going? In today's video, I want to show you guys how to draw a St. Patrick's Day unicorn. Now, to start off with this, we're going to begin with the nose. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm just going to draw a line that's just going to go down, and then it's going to kind of curve around like this, into kind of like a hook shape. Next, starting right here underneath this curve, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve down, and then it's going to curve up, and then it's just going to kind of come right around here like this. Now, starting right here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to go down here for the neck. And then right up here, I'm going to draw a little curved line like this for an eye. And then I'm going to make a little curved line right here for the nose. Now, I want to put a little bit of hair up here. So I'm going to start right up here above the eye, and I'm going to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve down like this, kind of like a big S shape. It's kind of really stretched out. And then I'm going to make a line that's going to kind of curve back, and it's going to come and connect here. So I'm going to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve down, and it's just going to kind of connect right to here. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to curve up, and then it's going to come down like this for the ear. And then I want to draw some hair. So, starting here, I'm going to make a line that's just going to kind of curve down like this. And then I'm going to curve up, and I'm going to bring it back here towards the ear. Then I'm going to do the same thing here. I'm just going to draw a line that's going to curve out. And then I'm just going to kind of curve up, and I'm going to bring it right to about here. Then starting right here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve down, and then it's just going to do the same thing. It's going to come up here. Now, on the hair, I want to add a few little lines. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm just going to draw a little line that's just going to kind of curve down the center. And I'm just going to do the same thing to each one of these little lines here. And then I'm going to start here on this hair, and I'm going to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve up and then down like this, just to make that hair a little bit taller. Now, inside this ear, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve up and then down for a little bit of detail. And then I'm just going to draw a line that's just going to connect it like this. Now, right here for the horn, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve up like this at an angle, and then I'm just going to round it on top and then just kind of come back here like this. And then I'm just going to add a couple little curved lines right on here, just for some details on the horn. Now, right around here, we want to add a little bit of like a little shamrock, a little necklace down here. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to start by drawing a little circle right here, a little black dot. And I'm going to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve up. It's going to go over, and then it's going to come down like this. And then I'm going to put another one here, just go up, down, and then I'm going to come back up like this. And then I'm going to do one right here to go up, down, and then just kind of come back like this. Then down here, I'm just going to draw a line that goes down, over, and then it's going to come right across here, just for like a little shamrock shape. Now I'm going to add a couple more here, so I'm going to do the same thing here. Put a little dot right here, draw my first little leaf shape. Then I'm going to put one more right here. They can be touching, so it kind of forms like a necklace. Put one right here, and then one right down here. Then I'm going to put one right here, and I'm going to kind of have the hair covered a little bit. So I'm going to put my dot here, and I'm just going to make two lines that are going to curve up to here. Then a little line that goes over, down, and then back up. Another one right here, and then one more right here. Then inside each leaf, I'm just going to put a little curved line like this. just like that, just to make it a little bit more detail. Now, right up here, I want to have another big little kind of like shamrock shape, just to kind of add something up here. So this time, I'm going to start right here, and I'm going to draw a line that goes up, and then it's going to come down like this to the ear. Then right here, I'm going to draw a line that goes up. It's going to go over, and then it's going to come down like this. And then I'm going to make one that goes up, and I'm just going to come right down here to the hair. And then I'm just going to add a little curved line inside each one. And there you go. There is your drawing of a little St. Patrick's Day unicorn. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.